after you log uh, in this video I'm going to basically show you how to assign variables to the signatories. So let's say that you are here and you have your own template that you're going to work on, and maybe let me take this template. That's it. So as you might know, when you create the template, anything that is in a square bracket is basically a variable. So so that's how you do. And let me just save this document first, and then I'll take you there. Okay. Now once you save the document, basically you can create the workflow uh, like here. So you can create the workflow. Let me add signatories, and let me add Rohit, and let me also add Ravi. So I am going to add Ravi. Let me add my this ID. All right. Now, okay. So I mean, I deliberately am not adding myself, but this is how we will do. Continue. Okay. So this is the basic workflow is created. Then you need to go to here in info and then say allow signatories to update variable. Okay. So when you do this and then come back to the flow. Once you are done here, you would see this whenever you hover on any variable, you will get this pop-up called assign. Okay. So let's say that I want to assign this variable to somebody. So what I will do, I will hover and I will click on the assign. It will show me everybody who is supposed to be enter the information. So let's say that I want Rohit to have this variable. Okay, it will instantly change the color of this option to the one that Rohit has it here. So you see this, so you know that this is how it is. Uh, you can do it one by one. For every variable you can do a sign. But let's say that it's very irritating. I want to do it everything in bulk. So what I will do, I'll just click here. I'll click assign over here. So you see that this is the variable icon. You click on assign. It will ask you whom you want to assign the variable. I want to assign to the Rohit. You can actually assign all the variables in the document if he's the only one who is going to enter all the variables in one click. Okay, and then assign. Let's say you want only specific variables to be assigned. So I have already assigned sender name, so or I can want sender designation. I also want sender date, and then assign. Okay, you see the color got changed over here. Okay, when Rohit receives it, you can actually see whom he has been assigned. It is assigned to this, and then if you want, there is certain settings. That if you want person to do a tooltip, you can do a tooltip to every variable. And if you want to make it optional, you can make this variable optional also. By default, he has to enter that variable. Okay, and if you want to delete, you can delete also. So nevertheless, now similarly, let's say I want to assign this client variable to the other guy. So let's say I want Ravi to enter client company name, start date, and let's say company address. Okay, and then let's take client designation, and then client date, assign. Okay, I think client name assign, I forgot, so I'll assign this also. So immediately if you go to the workflow, you notice this color, same color appears here. That's all you need to do. Then we can finish it off. Okay, when finish it off, we will send it across. Okay, so when finish. Okay, I think it's asking their signatories is asking one signatory block, so I'll add one signatory block for Rohit and one for Ravi. and then I'll finish it. I mean, there are some certain other variables that has not been assigned or completed. So, I mean, you have to make it's your call. I mean, most of the times every variable has to finish. I was supposed to finish, but I will simply finish anyway. So then I will send for signature. And this we know there is no change in this process. I think we are good here. This document has been sent for signature. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as a this person. Okay, I'm going to log in as a this person, and will show you how this person sees this document. Okay. All right. So I received this document over here. I'll simply click on the signed document like normally I would do. Even when you click on the email, you'll get this link, and then let it come. I'll get continue and then start. It's asking me to fill up the start date. You see here, this is my name, so it's saying I'll click on this. I'll choose a date, save. I mean, if you when you do next, it will basically you can since it is on same page. So say this is In Legitt AI, save, Delaware US, save. Not asking me to fill up this information, save, save. Today is 7th, I'll pick 7th, save, signature, saved, or type whatever. So I'll just pick one sign. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so this document has been signed successfully by me, including filling of the variables. When Rohit receives it, same process he will has to go through, and then that is how he will also fill up the variable. So that's all that we have.